Let's go ahead and test this out again, see kind of what the response is going to be from this chatbot. So what kratom related questions do you have for me? Again, it prompts us with that upon speaking with the chatbot. And so let's just say, I want a product for a good night's sleep. And so I spelled product wrong, but it should catch that, and even though it's a typo, so that's a good thing, and that's the great thing with chatbots. So for a good night's sleep, I recommend the Layla Kawashot. It comes in a sleep formula that contains melatonin and long word, I don't know how to pronounce it, which are known to promote relaxation and sleep. Here's a link to the product, Sweet Dreams. So boom, so there we go, directs us directly to the product. That's what I was wanting. And so let's ask a few more questions. I want to get my LOL, and let's see what that spits out. You could see that also it says train better response. So you could train the response you'd rather have it give you. And so that'll obviously help us with a better response in the future. So how about surprising her with her own kratom infused honey sticks? They're sweet, simple instruction to kratom. They can be added to tea, smoothies, and just enjoy it on their own. Here's the link. Enjoy your gift giving. So again, this is awesome. This is exactly how I want this thing to respond. It's very personable, adds a bit of humor, has some personality to it, and then it sends us directly to the links to actually buy these products. So this is exactly what we're looking for. So yeah, we'll keep fine tuning this. So I want to show you guys now kind of the back end of kind of this software of what I'm using. And this is actually a dashboard I'm going to give to my client, and it's going to be white labeled to my agency, obviously. So first of all, what we want to do is let me go ahead and start a new chat with this chatbot now. So you could see here, this is kind of just like a user interface that we're prompted with, and you could see it immediately says, please provide your email. So right here, I'm going to provide my email, and this is a lead capture form. So whenever they interact with this, we're actually going to take their email here. But something I want to note to you guys is something that Stammer is actually working on right now, and it should be out in like a week or two, I was told, is they're going to have custom fields when you're interacting with this chatbot. So instead of being prompted with this where you have to ask the user for their email, literally you could have it so if you're in a conversation with them and you have the chatbot naturally ask what their email is, it'll automatically pull that information and add it to our back end and save it and query that information. And so we don't even have to ask them right here, like use this form where it asks what their email is. We could just have it naturally ask, hey, do you mind if I have your email address? And it'll automatically be added. And then there's going to be some other automations in there where it's automatically kind of added to kind of different automations that you create within your CRM and whatnot. But let me test this to show you it. So now we want to ask a few questions. So let's say I want a product that will help me sleep better. Let's see what this spits out. So for better sleep, I recommend trying our Revive blend. It offers a smooth energy and relaxation, making it suitable for both day and nighttime use. You can purchase Revive in powder form and capsule it yourself using our capsule maker. Here's a link to the Revive blend. So it sends us the link to this product, tells us what it does, how it's going to help us sleep.